All right. From here, maintain the same cross leg. You can change the cross of your legs. Change the cross of your legs now. We'll do a little bit shoulder opening. Right from here, gently inhale, raise the both arms over the head. Extend the arms over the head, long your hands over the head with sharpen the fingers. Inhale. As you exhale, you roll this upper arms in towards the face. You roll this upper arms in towards the face, and you can turn your palm facing back. Turn the palm facing back behind you. Good. With the sharpen the fingers. Good. Inhale, pull your hands up and exhale, push them back behind your head. You can, as much as you can, push them back with a normal breath. Inhalation, and with exhalation, you can swing your hands back and interlock of your fingers behind your back. Interlock of your fingers. Now what you have to do here, with the inhale, you can push your hands down towards the buttock and lift the chest up. Good. Push your hands down towards the buttock, lift the chest up, open up the chest, looking in front of you. Stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Chin down. Your chin is not too high. Parallel to the ground, you can looking in front of you. Good. Now, maintain the height of your chest. Maintain the height of your spine. Without leaning forward, without dropping your chest forward, inhale. As you exhale, you can lift your hands away from your buttocks. Now you have to just lift your hands away from your buttocks without dropping your chest forward and up. Maintain the same height of your chest, and then you are looking in front of you on the wall. Give the nice extension to the spine. Give the nice extension to the both side of the trunk evenly. You can have your palms together there. Hey? You can have your palms together. Good. And roll the shoulder out. Open up the chest. Good. You can touch the shoulder blade. So the shoulder blade should be touching to each other. Touch them. Good. And lift your hands away from your buttocks. Pushing back and then lifting up your hands away from the buttocks. Inhalation and exhalation. You can just release the hands down towards the buttock. Release the interlace of your hands. Inhale, raise the arms over the head. Extend the arms over the head. As you exhale, again, swing your hands back behind your buttocks. Change the interlace of your fingers. Inhale, raise the arms over the head again. Not over the head, not over the head, sorry. Inhale, push your hands back. First, inhale, push your hands down towards the buttock and maintain the same height of your chest. And with exhalation, you can lift your hands away from your buttocks now. Lift them up. That's good, Tony. Lift it up your chest. You can have your palms together. And push the knees and thighs down. You're not lifting the knee. Maintain the height of your chest. Good. Inhalation and exhalation there. Couple of seconds more you stay. Inhale. Exhale, you can release the hands down towards the buttock. Release the interlace of your hands. Inhale, raise the arms over the head. Extend the arms over the head. Exhale, you can release the hands. All right. Now just go for the child pose for the balasana. Fold your legs one by one. And then try to bend forward for the child pose. Open your knee with your hip width distance. And you can have your hands all the way front. In this Adho Mukha Balasana. Adho means the downward, Mukha is your face, Bala means child, Asana is the posture. long. You can inhale, press the palms, lift the head up, and give the nice extension to the spine one time. Just extend your back in front, walk through your hands away from you without lifting your buttocks. And then exhale, you can rest your forehead on the mat again. Inhalation, exhalation there. Opening your hands as wide as you might, huh? And you can rest your palms on the mat and maintain the elbows straight.